Hey guys, in this video, we'll be learning how to create a customized curve-shaped countertop. Let's get started. Alright, so we are going to use a superboard to create the countertop. So click into any kitchen cabinet and look for a superboard. Next thing we want to do is, we can always start to resize first. Alright, so 3000 and over here 1006, and for the height 50. Alright, next thing you want to do is to click on B. Alright, we are going to use the panel point editing function. Alright, so click onto B. Delete the surface first. Alright, and then start by using the draw to redraw the shape of your countertop. Alright, once you're done drawing the shape, you may click on the corner. As you can see, there's a number 1 and number 4. Alright, so we are going to fillet both of this part. Alright, so over here, click on the number 4 and then select the outer fillet for your types. Alright, so what you need to do next is to increase the radius to make the shape more obvious and also increase the number of segments. Alright, so the higher it is, the more smooth your curve will be. Alright, so repeat on the next one, outer fillet, radius 600, and then number of segments, I'll put 30. Alright, once it's done, click on save and return. Alright, so right now we may click on the Z button to rotate, and maybe we can also increase the elevation and position. Just like that. And there you have it. So this is how to customize a curve-shaped countertop. Good luck trying, guys.